Hi, it's Dave from SuperPro out here in our workshop today with a Kia Stinger. Great little car, making a few little tweaks to it. On the front here, we've put on a new roll control bar. We've gone from a 20mm to a 24mm, obviously adjusted. This one's set at full resistance at the minute, and of course it's got our adjustable sway bar links. They're a fantastic looking aluminium sway bar link. They're going to do wonders for this car. On the back, we've gone from a 16mm bar to a 20mm bar. It's really going to help the car point straighter and corner far better than what it did. On this car, we've put some caster adjustment bushes in here. The car traditionally does drive a little bit to the left, so this is going to help it straighten up completely. It comes out the factory with a fairly heavily voided rubber bush, and we're replacing it with a poly bush, which has adjustment inside the tube. You can see from here on this bar, a massive range of adjustment you can get out of this. So this is really going to improve the drivability of the car and the long-term tyre life of the car. So a great addition to our SuperPro range.